Benny's Scientific Adventures. Once upon a time in the lush Evergreen Forest lived a curious little bear named Benny. Benny loved exploring, but more than anything, he was fascinated by science. One sunny day while playing by the babbling brook, Benny stumbled upon an old dusty book titled The Wonders of Science. In the first scene of his adventure, Benny learned about the stars. He gazed up at the sky each night, using the book to identify constellations. "Wow, science is like a map of the sky," he exclaimed to his friend Lucy the fox. In the next scene, Benny discovered plants. He read about photosynthesis and was amazed to learn how plants make their own food. With Lucy, he planted a garden, watching it grow with awe, exclaiming, "Science is growing everywhere around us." The third scene took them to the river, where they learned about the water cycle. They watched the water vapor rise to form clouds. Benny said, "Even water is on a magical journey." Then, one rainy day, Benny stumbled upon pages about weather. He built a small weather station with Lucy, predicting that the rain would soon stop based on the clouds. "See, science helps us understand the weather," he cheerfully explained. In another scene, Benny and Lucy went to the hills and explored magnetism. They found magnets and learned how they attract and repel. Lucy giggled as Benny explained, "Even invisible forces are part of science." Next, they peeked into the pages of sound. They made tin can telephones and spoke through them. Benny shouted, "Can you hear me, Lucy? Science is speaking loud and clear." The seventh scene took them flying kites. They learned about wind and the forces that made their kites soar. Benny felt thrilled. Science helps us touch the sky. Then, they ventured into the world of light and shadows. With flashlights and mirrors, they created fun shapes, shouting with joy, "Light behaves in wondrous ways." In the ninth scene, Benny discovered the basics of the human body. He learned about the heart and lungs and realized there's a whole world inside us powered by science. Going further, Benny explored rocks and minerals. Together with Lucy, they cracked open geodes, marveling at the crystals. "Even the ground tells stories through science," Benny said. The 11th scene involved studying insects. Benny examined ants and bees, learning about their roles in nature, proudly announcing, "Every creature is a scientist in its own way." Then, they experimented with simple machines. Benny used levers and pulleys, making tasks easier, shouting, "Science makes life easier, just like magic." In the 13th scene, they learned about energy. Benny built a windmill model that produced a light glow, teaching Lucy, "Energy from nature powers our world." Then came experiments with gravity. They rolled different objects down the hill, racing them to see how gravity worked. "Gravity helps us play and stay on the ground," Benny explained. Next, Benny read about electricity. He built a circuit and made a bulb light up, dancing with excitement as he said, "This is electrical magic from science."